Welcome to samhith. So, as you do know, so I have a YouTube channel called samhith, and I also have a website called samhithkadiala.blogspot.com. That thingy, and don't forget to do it, or else you can just make it go in the link below. So let's start. So we're gonna be using, Notepad++ and also Swift for Windows. So Swift for Windows. We're going to be doing programs. So let's start. In the last episode, I told you that var is actually means variables. So let's start with that again. Var means variables. Think about that. Var, variables. So var stands for variable. See that thing in the line below? See that thing right in the line? Touch your screen with an axis. That's like this. Okay. So go like this on the top. Anyway, just never mind. Just stop joking. Anyway, so this time I'm talking about variables. So let's start. Variables are like, variables. So in the last episode, I introduced you to variables so that you can learn something about print. Let's do that again, so that just as a quick reminder of steps. var first. var first. var first is equal to, last time I did a compound word milkshake. Let's think of a different one this time. Let's think French fries. That is an axiom. Ha ha ha. Don't think that it's a word. Oh. Anyway, let's think. Ha ha ha. Anyway, what is a compound word? Anyway, it's a word with two words inside it. Anyway, so let's just do milkshake for it. Let's do robot anyway, even if it isn't a compound word. And var second is equal to, bot. A bot is a word, right? Print. Let's do print. Right, I told you last time that we have to do row plus bot equals to slash this thingy, and we do actually first plus second, because this is the actual thingy. Because that is the actual thingy, you see? The actual thingy. So let's do first plus second. Then we should put this bracket. Ha ha ha. Since it's the other, it's the end. So anyway, it reads the end, right? So then anyway. I'm sleepy. Just come in anyway. I am not sleepy. As you can see, there are no tears in my eyes or nothing else. So as you can see, this is already the end from this bracket to this bracket. Since these double goals are already in. Okay, let's save that as 144.swift. Yeah. Instead of doing all types this, remember what we should do. I always get mistaken with this, but you don't get mistaken. As you do know, Swift for Windows only allow Office Swift.json. That's all. That's the only thing it allows. So we should look for a Swift for JSON file. So now save. Yes. Okay. Anyway. So since we can't do that, just X this. Yes. Save. One for Swift. Save. Yes. Anyway, now let's go to 144.swift. Compile. See that successfully, and it should come out 0 bot. See that? See what we did with our great programming? That is done. That is that. And you see, we can also do Windows. If you want to see, for we don't. And I'll tell you something I didn't tell in the other lesson. Maybe whenever you first did a second, I'll show you what happens when you do it again. Just because you already did this again. Let's do 1 this time. Just for 1 plus 1 equals to 11. For second equals to 1. So now print. Let's put print. Now, of course, double quote 1 plus 1 equals to slash, well, bracket, first plus second. Let's try. Let's see what happens with that. And this will come out as an error. You see your mistakenness. Save. Compile. See that? It doesn't know what is second because we already put second here. See that? So we can put it as second. Instead, this has to be fourth instead. Fourth, and this has to be third. Why? Because if we already did it, it'll think that it's the thing, and it'll get confused, and the computer won't understand it. And then, like that. So that's why we should put a new one. Then instead we could just put third plus fourth, right? No, that's the other one. And at the same time you can put the other old one. Isn't that better, right? Yep, it is. Third plus fourth. Now let's save. Now see what happens in Swift for Windows. Compile. See that? That should come out as 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. See that? That's the greatness of programming. And this time I will give a statement for click the X. So now let's start. And there's another thing, but this has to do a little with data types. But anyway, we're gonna learn that in the next lesson. So bye. But don't think that this lesson is over though. Like how I just said bye. What if that meant A now? This is gonna be other tricky thing. Other tricky. Think about this. This is gonna be really different. But remember, we can't put B or A because I know. As you can see, a variable shouldn't be short again. Instead, it'll be confusing again. G. See, not G. Let's just use D since it's the one letter. And C. Now see what happens. It won't really come out as But anyway, we forgot this. Haha. To actually, let's try this. A plus B. A plus B. So now, this one is like D. Now this is C. As you can though see. Now let's see what actually happens. Compound. Oh, it's successfully compound. Why? Let's see why. It's still a data type, right? I'm like, it's still a variable that is different and all like that, right? Now let's see what will happen. Yeah, it'll still come out as a correct answer. So that's our lessons for variables today. So don't forget to go to my YouTube channel and also subscribe. And don't forget for my website also. Bye. See you. Dot dot dot. ఇంకా ఏంటి ఇంకా బుక్స్ ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్లో చదివిస్తారేమన్నా అసలు